bulldogs bringing games to life. We're not bored, we board again. With the throw of a novel, let the fun begin. Quick cups stacking, ghost blitz flashing, taco, cat, goat, cheese, it's all happening. Puzzles popping, brain cells work. In the bulldog den we go berserk. Bored again, we rollin' deep. Laugh so loud we can't keep it neat. Spot it quick, don't miss your turn. When the chain game's hot, you feel the burn. Tapple tapping, cards are flying. Red flags up and no one's crying. Eastside bulldogs bring the flame. Tabletop legends, we run the game. Test flips to gobble bites, we're gaming hard through the bulldog nights. Throw avocado mid-air, clash, someone dodges, then we all just laugh. Strategy, luck, and a whole lot of cheer. Cards Against Humanity keeps it weird. We may compete, but we're all still friends, cause board game nights, they never end. Bored again, we rollin' deep. Laugh so loud, we can't keep it neat. Spot it quick, don't miss your turn. When the chain game's hot, you feel the burn. Tapple tapping, cards are flying. Red flags up and no one's crying. Eastside